In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the search function in Google Sheets. To get started, open Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet where you want to work. The search function is useful when you want to find the position of a specific word, letter, or phrase inside another piece of text. Instead of returning the actual text, it gives you the number of the character where your search term begins. This can be very helpful when you're analyzing text data or building more advanced formulas. Once your sheet is open, select the cell where you want to display the result. This is the cell where the formula will go. After that, make sure you also have some text available to search within. In this example, type Google Sheets into cell A1. This gives us a simple text string that we can use to demonstrate how the function works. Now enter the formula equals search, followed by open parentheses. The full structure is equals search. Open parenthesis. Search underscore for, comma. Text underscore to underscore search. Comma. And then optional starting underscore at. Followed by a closing parenthesis. In simple terms, the first part is the text you want to find. The second part is the cell or text you want to search in. And the third optional part lets you choose where the search should begin. For this example, type the formula equals search, open parenthesis, quotation mark. Sheets, quotation mark, comma, A1. Close parenthesis, then press enter. You should get the result 8. That means the word Sheets begins at the 8th character in the text Google Sheets. Google counts every character from left to right, including spaces, so that space between Google and Sheets is included in the count. One helpful thing to remember is that search is designed to locate text inside a larger text string, which makes it great for quick lookups. When entering the formula, be careful with quotation marks around the word you're searching for, and make sure your cell reference is correct. A small typing mistake can cause the formula not to work as expected. That's all you need to do to use the search function in Google Sheets. Once you understand this basic example, it becomes much easier to use the function in larger spreadsheets with more text-based data. Thanks for watching.